Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Tesla's stock surges amid reports of potential changes in autonomous crash reporting regulations by the Trump team, while Broadcom celebrates a milestone with a $1 trillion valuation driven by custom AI prospects. Supermicro seeks capital through Evercore, and discussions arise about privatizing the U.S. Postal Service. In the world of investments, Bill Ackman reveals his strategic positions in IEP and FNMA for a stock-picking contest. Quantum stocks gain momentum from Willow developments, yet only one-third of S&P 500 companies are outperforming the index. Meanwhile, Uber Technologies is highlighted as Goldman Sachs' top pick for 2025. Stay tuned after this short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Tesla shares reached a record high following reports that the Trump transition team intends to remove a rule mandating automakers to report self-driving car crashes. This rule has been vital for safety evaluations, with more than 2,700 crashes reported since 2021. Tesla's stock has risen significantly after the election.
Broadcom's quarterly results surpassed expectations, projecting up to $90 billion in revenue from custom AI chips by 2027. This news increased its shares by over 24%, raising its valuation above $1 trillion. In contrast, NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel experienced declines of more than 2%.
Supermicro Computer is collaborating with Evercore to raise capital through a private investment in public equity, reaching out to private equity firms for interest. Nasdaq has extended the deadline for Supermicro to file necessary reports until February 25, 2025, ensuring its stock exchange listing remains intact.
President-elect Donald Trump is reportedly thinking about privatizing the United States Postal Service. The Washington Post says Trump has talked about this idea with Howard Lutnick, who he is considering for leading the Department of Commerce.
Billionaire hedge fund manager Bill Ackman chose Icahn Enterprises and Fannie Mae for a Robinhood Foundation stock contest. Between October 28, 2024, and April 30, 2025, Icahn Enterprises dropped by 34%, while Fannie Mae increased by 83%. Ackman's firm does not engage in short selling of stocks.
Quantum computing stocks surged on Friday, fueled by Google's Willow momentum. Rigetti Computing led the gains, jumping over 13%. Traders eagerly invested in these stocks, with more than 84 million shares changing hands.
Only 31% of stocks in the Standard & Poor's 500 index are outperforming the benchmark this year, compared to about 60% in 2022. The index is up 26.58% year-to-date. Top performers include Palantir Technologies, up 326%, Vistra Corporation, up 277%, and NVIDIA Corporation, up 177%.
Goldman Sachs has identified Uber Technologies as a top stock pick for 2025, even after a recent 15% decline in its share price. Analyst Eric Sheridan highlights Uber's strong potential, emphasizing its capability to meet commitments despite challenges with autonomous vehicles. Goldman predicts substantial growth in bookings and earnings, setting a price target of $96.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Take care. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.